Numbering systems. The first number that was used many centuries ago was the set of natural numbers. The natural numbers are all the numbers starting at 1 and continuing to infinity. The set of numbers would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. They were used as a basis for civilizations to count items in the marketplace. But then we needed a new set of numbers, or at least we needed to add one digit, and that digit was the 0. The digit 0 was added to the set of natural numbers to indicate no value. This set of numbers now became 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, and were then called the set of whole numbers. Remember, the natural numbers start from 1, the whole numbers start at 0. But then what happened? Well, we needed numbers that could be used to express negative values and positive values. For example, if you were to borrow something from someone, they would owe you. For them, this would be a negative amount. With the set of integers came a whole new set of rules that we needed to learn. Next came rational numbers. The rational number is any real number that can be written as a simple fraction, which means, of course, it can be written as a ratio, and we are now all experts on fractions. Rational numbers can be written as fractions, decimals, negatives, and positives. And yes, another set of rules to remember. Then came the set of irrational numbers. An irrational number is a real number that cannot be written as a simple fraction, so it's not rational. Pi, square root, are two examples that we are very common with, or e. An irrational number could be the square root of 19, which is approximately 4.35889, and continued. Rational numbers, 0.5, can be written as 1/2. Then we have the set of all the numbers called the real numbers. The real numbers contain natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, and of course, irrational numbers. There is another set of numbers you will encounter later in your mathematical career. These are called imaginary numbers. Now, let's take a look at how to work with a set of real numbers. This notation means x is an element of the real numbers. Now that you have looked at the type of number systems, watch the next video, BEDMAS, to learn how these number systems can be used to solve expressions and equations. Stay tuned for something totally awesome.